This is unbelievable. Honestly, I can't even begin to tell you how much stuff is in this box. This is absolutely crazy. All CMF. CMF stuff. Well, bro, I'm lost for words. So I feel like I need to talk you through what's in this box. First up, CMF are out with their brand new, their first ever toe dip into the market of smartphones. So this is the Phone 1. So CMF are the sister company of Nothing Phone. So as you know, Nothing is a big... No, I am a big advocate of Nothing. That's what I'm trying to say. We've also got a brand new smartwatch. Absolutely love it. We've got one case. Got two cases, got three phone cases. We got the Buds Pro 2 from CMF, love that. We've got a replacement bezel and strap for the watch. We've got a lanyard. We've also got a card case for the phone. And finally we have a phone stand. So it doesn't seem like CMF are dipping their toe in the market. They're absolutely ram-packing it jam full of goodies and gifts. Unbelievable, and this is all designed to be totally affordable. So for example, the CMF Phone 1 for a 256 gig phone, this is only £240. The Buds Pro, they're £60, and the Watch Pro 2, that is £70. Absolute bargains. So I guess I'm just gonna have to unbox them all properly, test them all out, give it a good go, and then get back to you and give you my thoughts, feelings, and opinions. But I'm absolutely buzzing to get my hands on one of these devices. CMF, Nothing, brilliant.